All right, it's day 2 of the Notary Income Challenge, May 2025, and I'm here to give you guys the rundown and the breakdown of my income in my notary business today. So if you're just joining me, I'm Amber Gist, Notary Training Hub founder and educator, and I am doing a Notary Income Challenge where I document and share all the details of all appointments every single day, any income, expenses, type of appointment, duration of appointment, any information that would give you information about how the appointment would go. So I don't just say, oh, I made $200 and then cut the video off. I'm going to give you, a little bit more than that. And so that's what we're doing. We're on day 2. And so I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to hold you because, again, we're going to be here every day. We're going to see each other every single day this month. If you want to follow me on this journey, you're going to have to do a couple of things so that the algorithm can bring you back here to my channel. So first of all, follow me or subscribe if you're on YouTube. I need you to like this video, save it, and go ahead and comment. Comment a question. Tell me something in the comments. It doesn't matter, so that YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever you're seeing this video understands that this is something of interest to you, so it will come back to you. All right, so let's get into today's income from my notary business. Like I said, today is May 2nd, 2025, and we're on day 2. All right, so I didn't have very much today, guys. I didn't do much appointments, but I am going to give you the breakdown of this. All right, so my total earned today was $1,105. That is the income. So yes, that is the income, a total of $1,105. My total expenses today were $105. So my profit came in at a flat $1,000 today. Now, how, why, what, when, where, why, all the above. All right, let's talk about it. I had 2 appointments today, guys, just 2 appointments. The rest of my day was filled again with marketing, email, reach out, network, and then a little bit of other things for other businesses that I have. All right, so, I've got my trusty notes here. Appointment number 1 was an Apostille service for an established client. All right, this is an ongoing corporate client expanding his business into Italy. All right, so this is a customer that I've worked with frequently over the past year on multiple apostilles, multiple other types of documents. And I kind of got to know him and his family and his team. So when he comes in, it's a good catch up on what's going on with the business, and it gives you girls some ideas. All right, for my own little entrepreneurial journey. All right, so the two documents that so I didn't tell you, he needed 2 documents apostilled to Italy. Those 2 documents are a patent for one of their products, and the other one was a power of attorney. Okay, simple, easy process. So again, this was done in my office, not this office. This is my home office. This was at the office. If you go watch video from yesterday, you could see my office. So they came into the office. This appointment lasted 25 minutes, approximately, give or take a couple of minutes. I charged him a fee of $975 for all of this. And then my expenses for this, obviously there was no travel mobile fee because he came to me, so I didn't have any gas expenses or anything like that. I had a courier fee of $60 and I had a shipping fee of $35. So if you subtract that from $975, my total profit from this first appointment was $880, again, for 25 minutes of my time. However, I will say I did a lot of work to establish this relationship with this client. I don't want you to think that, oh, it came out of the blue. No, I did a lot of networking. I did a lot of reaching out. I did a lot of learning about the business so that we would have things to talk about. I did a lot of showing up and giving him things for his business that he would need and use. So there was a trust built. All right. So I don't want you to think that it's just, 25 minutes, $800. Sometimes yes, but this is a client that I have been working with for quite a bit. Okay. Appointment number 2. Let's get into it. All right, so this one was a mobile notary appointment. It was a general notarization. This one was 10 miles from my home, not from my office, so from my home. So I did come home for lunch and did a few things around the house, and then I went to this appointment 10 miles away, not far. This client needed 8 notarizations and 1 certified copy. All right, so we did the whole certified copy process, and then I notarized 8 different documents. The total time I was at this client's house was about 30 minutes, and the total fee that I charged was $130. The estimated gas that I say it took for me to get from home to there, $10. And so I'm just going to subtract that $10 from $130, and my profit from my second appointment was $120. All right, so let's recap, guys. That was pretty simple. Again, the rest of my day was filled with back-end marketing and other things in my business. Recap for this today, May 2nd, total is $1,105. Expenses came out to $105. And the time worked altogether in the notary appointments was 55 minutes. And my take-home pay from this is $1,000 even. All right, so I hope this helps. I hope it brings clarity. Please put your questions down in the comments. Tomorrow is Saturday, May 3rd, 2025. I'm going to share with you exactly how much I make tomorrow. I'll go ahead and give a disclaimer. I don't work most of the time on weekends where I am with kids or I've got appointments with my kids or basketball and things. So you may get a few videos where I make $0 a day, and obviously that's normal. But I am going to still jump on a call on the video and share with you my income for the day, even if the income is zero. Big goose egg. All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy stamping.